ready to boost your blog's performance. Let's integrate Google Tag Manager and dive into data-driven insights. Begin by logging into Google Tag Manager with your Google account, the same one you use for your blog. If you haven't already, create an account. Create a new account, giving it a clear name, similar to your blog's title. Select your region and prepare to create your first container. Call it after your blog. When setting up the container, choose web as the target because we are managing a website, your blog. In this case, GTM provides code snippets. These are essential for connecting your blog to GTM. Copy both of these crucial code snippets. Now, switch to your Blogger dashboard, go to Theme, and select Edit HTML. You're ready to paste the codes. Locate the head tag. Paste the first Google Tag Manager code snippet directly after the opening head tag. Find the opening body tag. Paste the second Google Tag Manager code snippet, ensuring it's inserted immediately after it. Then, save your template. Now to track all the actions from your blog, you can start using Google Tag Manager. Remember to keep an eye on your blog. This will drastically improve its performance. Subscribe for advanced tips on Blogger and GTM.